Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy anthracinum. Common name is anthrax poison. This is part 1, general overview series, and it is taken from Allen's keynote, supplemented with Borick, Clark, and Ken Mathur. This text is most suitable for the BHMS students, interns, MD, UPSC, PSC aspirants, and this overview spans within 7 minutes time. So it is a quick overview. Let us go ahead. The remedy profile is best indicated in septic state, having tendency to gangrene, ulceration, and hemorrhages, and it belongs to nosode family. The habitat is this nosode is from spleen of the infected sheep from anthrax bacillus. The preparation, the mother tincture is prepared from an alcoholic extract of the anthrax poison from the spleen of infected sheep. This remedy was proved by Dr. Lux. The organ system affinity or sphere of action is connective tissue, blood, skin, lymphoid system. The lateral affinity is ambilateral and thermal affinity is ambithermal. The constitutional component somatic predilectation non-specific, it means all are susceptible. Psychic preponderance, temperament, every type of temperament will be affected by this. And mental state non-specific means everyone with low IQ, high IQ, and every idiosyncrasy is susceptible for this particular remedy. The causation is diathesis, where we will find gangrene, ulceration, and hemorrhagic state. The exciting cause is sepsis, antiseptic fever, insect sting, bad effects from inhaling foul odors. The characteristics of this remedy are intolerable burning pains, as if hot coal is applied to the part. Hemorrhages is black, thick, tar like, rapid decomposition. Bleeding from nose, anus, genitalia, all the orifices. Septic fever from absorption of pus or other deleterious substances takes place, and there is a rapid loss of strength and prostration is there. Sinking pulse, delirium, and fainting. It means the patient is in multi-organ failure state. The characteristics are affected part turn black and blue. The gangrenous ulcer, there is a sloughing and intolerable burning. Phylone, carbuncle, erysipelas, erysipelas, especially the malignant type. Malignant pustules, black or blue blisters, discharges, ichorous, offensive pus, rapid spread of infiltration and edema of cellular tissue. Excessive thirst with inability to swallow. The relationship of this remedy is remedies follows well aurum, myrrh, netronatum, and salicia. Remedies precede well is arsenic album, phosphoric acid. Remedy is antidoted by there is no medicine which antidotes, and remedy antidotes apis, camphor, arsenic, rustox, salicia, lachesis, carbovage, pulsatilla, and creosote. The general modalities include aggravation is rapid and pronounced prostration, amelioration not applicable or not given. The miasmatic orientation is acute disease belongs to acute miasm, which represents the flare of sora. Our impression is that anthracinum is a predominant acute miasmatic remedy. Sora is in background. Please remember that hyperacute phase may require palliative management. Posology. The doses 30th to 200 potency is most suitable. Repetition, this remedy bears very well repetition, and duration of action is non-specific. The clinical condition where we are going to apply this medicine is gangrene, ulcerations, septic state and hemorrhagic state. Thank you friends, thank you very much for patient listening.